Hello, teacher and everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to chapter 16. And before going to chapter 16, I want you to give you an example for your better understanding before we get into this chapter. Now, first, let's imagine that you are in an Apple store and a staff member come to you, greets you by your name, remembers your last purchase, and recommend a product that fits exactly what you need. That is personal selling. They build trust through real human connection. Now, after trust is built, self promotion gives customer the final nudge, a reason to buy. So now in chapter 16, we will explore how these two forces, the human touch and promotional incentive, work together to create results.
Hello, Professor. Today I will talk about Objective 1. Personal selling means direct interaction between a salesperson and a customer to present products and build relationships. Unlikely advertising, personal selling is more personal and persuasive. A good example is GE. Their salespeople don't just sell locomotives, they work with customers year after year to build strong long-term partnerships. The key idea here is the selling is not only about making a sale, but also about building trust. The next is the role of the sales force. Salespeople play a vital role as a link between a company and its customers. They gather information, understand customer needs, and adjust marketing strategies to create value. In big companies like IBM and B&G, salespeople help connect the manufacturer with final buyers. To many customers, the salesperson actually is the company. That's why personal selling is so important for building customer loyalty and maintaining a positive company image. And finally, coordinating marketing and sales. However, one challenge many companies face is poor coordination between the marketing and sales teams. They sometimes don't value each other's work, which can reduce performance and harm customer relationships. And companies should increase communication, hold choice meetings, and even appoint marketing sales sessions. When both sides work together, they can achieve the same goal, creating value for customer and capturing value for the company.
Salesforce management is the process of analyzing, planning, implementing, and controlling sales activities, all to achieve marketing goals and build long-term customer relationships. It's not just about selling more, but about creating loyal customers and a strong, motivated sales team. There are several key steps. First, designing the sales structure. Companies decide whether to organize by territory, product, or customer type, and determine how many salespeople are needed. Next, recruiting and selecting. Hiring people who are motivated, disciplined, and good at building relationships. Then comes training, helping salespeople understand products, markets, and competitors, often through online learning tools. After that, compensation, combining salary, commission, and bonuses to reward both short-term shares and long-term customer satisfaction. Finally, supervising and evaluating when managers track performance, coach the team, and recognize top performers. Motivation is also crucial. For example, Coca-Cola rewards top salespeople with chips. Unilever gives bonuses for exciting targets and are boosting morale and sales. Digital tools are transforming how we sell. For instance, LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps salespeople find and engage with prospects. Users of these tools close 45% more deals than those who don't. L'Oreal uses social media and live streams to promote products, and each live stream campaign boosted online sales by 25%. These examples show how technology saves time, reduces costs, and builds stronger customer relationships. In B2B sales, technology supports but doesn't replace human salespeople. IBM uses AI version to analyze customer data and suggest personalized strategies, while human sales reps maintain client relationships. At Dell Technologies, clients can configure products online, but a consultant still guides them through the processing process. So even in the digital era, personal contact remains essential for complex B2B transactions. Social selling has clear benefits and some drawbacks. For example, HubSpot reports that companies using social selling effectively have 23% higher revenues and 25% shorter sales cycles. Nice also used Instagram and TikTok to launch new products, achieving high engagement at a lower cost than traditional ads. However, luxury brands like Rolex and Chanel avoid heavy social selling because their clients value personal experience. Small firms sometimes invest heavily in digital tools but lack the skills to use them effectively, leading to wasted costs. So, the best practice is to combine digital engagement for early stages and face to face contacts for closing big deals.
This slide explains the 7 steps of the personal selling process. It begins with prospecting and qualifying, where salespeople identify potential customer. Then comes to pre-approach, is gathering information and preparing for the meeting. During the approach, the salesperson meets the customer and builds a positive first impression. Next is presentation and demonstration. It's showing how the product can satisfy customer need. After that, the salesperson must handle objections, answering questions or concerns. Once the customer is convinced, the salesperson moves to closing, asking for the order. Finally, follow-up ensures customer satisfaction and helps build a long-term relationships. These steps are from the foundation of successful personal selling. In this slide, we compare transaction-oriented marketing and relationship-oriented marketing. Transaction-oriented marketing focuses mainly on making quick sales. It's short-term and ends once the deal is closed. In contrast, relationship-oriented marketing aims to build lasting relationships with customers. The goal is to create long-term value and customer loyalty rather than just one-time profit. In today's present world, successful salespeople act more like relationships managers. They don't just sell a product, they build trust, enjoy satisfaction, and maintain connections that benefit both the company and the customer over time.
Sales promotion is designed to create short-term incentives that motivate customers to make immediate purchases. The first step in developing a campaign is to set clear objectives. Could include increasing brand awareness, encouraging first-time trial, rewarding loyal customer, or motivating distributor and sales team. Next, marketers select the right promotion tools for consumer. This might include coupons, discounts, contests, or sample. For trade partners, tools such as allowance, free goods, or comparative advertising are common. Then they come deciding the size of the incentive. It needs to be attractive enough to drive action, but not so large that it hurts profitability. Finally, marketers set participation conditions. They define who is eligible and how to redeem the offer and the time frame for the promotions. Overall, this planning stage ensures that every sales promotion is strategic, well targeted,
and align with the company overall marketing goals. After the program is developed, the focus shifts to implementation and evaluation. First, marketers carefully plan the timing of the promotion, making sure it complements advertising schedule, product launches, or seasonal buying trends. Then they communicate the offer effectively through multiple channels such as social media, in-store display, emails, or digital advertisement to make sure customers know exactly how to participate. During the campaign, the company monitors execution, ensuring that stores or online platforms present the promotion properly and that logistic runs smoothly. Afterward, it's essential to evaluate results by measuring self-lift, redemption rates, customer response, and return on promotion investment. Marketers also analyze whether the campaign strengthened the brand perceptions or customer loyalty. In summary, implementing and evaluating sales promotion isn't just about quick sales, it's about learning what works and using those insights to build even more effective future campaigns.
Hello, Professor and everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to Chapter 17 Direct Online Social Media and Mobile Marketing. But before going to the main chapter content, I will introduce you a little bit for you to better understanding about what we are going to talk about. First, now let's imagine that you open Instagram and see a skincare ad. It's your favorite brand and it's even used your name. Within a second, you click Shop Now. And that is direct and digital marketing. Personalized, data driven, and immediate. And why is it matter? In today's world, customer we are expect real time engagement. So understand that brand use email, social media, and mobile apps to start conversation, making engagement, notification, and not just showing ads. That's how they connect to customer. In chapter 17, we will explore how digital tools help companies reach the right person with the right message and at the right time.
Hello, Professor. Today I will talk about Objective 1 Direct Digital Marketing. Direct marketing means directly interaction with carefully selected target customers to get immediate response and build long-term relationships. In today's world, digital technology has changed how this works. Online models such as websites, social media, and mobile platforms have replaced traditional catalogs and mail. This makes digital marketing the fastest growing form of marketing, helping companies reach customers more effectively and personally. The next eight benefits of direct marketing. Firstly, let's look through the lens of the buyer. Direct marketing creates an incredibly convenient and easy shopping experience. Customers can shop anytime, anywhere, and access a rich repository of product information. Crucially, it provides immediately interactivity allow to ask questions and customize products without delay. And secondly, for sellers, the efficiency is profound. Direct marketing is low cost and effective because it low allow us to accurately reach small customer segments, eliminating waste resources. The ability to flexibly and fast adjust price and promotions help us react quickly to the market, thereby allowing us to build relationships and foster deep customer loyalty. And finally, forms of direct marketing. The focus today is clearly on digital and social marketing, things like email or online ads and target social campaigns, which form the backbone of modern practice. However, traditional forms such as direct mail and telemarketing still play a role regardless of the channel. The singular role remains to build direct engagement with the customer.
I will talk about the main forms of direct and digital marketing. There are two main groups. The first is digital and social media marketing. This includes websites, online ads, email, online videos, blogs, social media, and mobile marketing. These tools help companies connect with customers anytime and build strong online engagement. And next is traditional direct marketing. This includes face-to-face selling, direct mail, catalogs, telemarketing, direct response TV, and keyword marketing. These methods are still useful because they allow personal and direct communication. In conclusion, both digital and traditional tools are important, and business should combine them for the best result.
This slide talks about how the internet and the digital age have changed the way companies reach and connect with customers. Today, consumers expect speed, convenience, and personalized experience. Companies use digital tools like website, apps, and social media to communicate directly with customers and build stronger relationships. For example, Amazon used data to give personalized recommendations, while Netflix suggests movies and shows based on our preferences. In short, online marketing has made it easier for business to engage with people anytime and anywhere. Here we can see the main forms of online marketing that companies use today. These include company website for information and sales, online advertising to reach target audience, and email marketing to build relationships. Business also use online videos, viral campaigns, and posts to create interactive experience and community engagement. Successful company don't just advertise, they create value and encourage customers to visit, stay longer, and come back again. This kind of marketing builds stronger brand loyalty in the digital world.
In this part, I present Objective 4. In today's digital age, social media and mobile marketing have become essential tools for connecting with customers. They allow companies not just to talk to customers but to interact with them, building real two-way relationships. Let's start with social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube enable brands to reach millions of people instantly. Through this channel, companies can share stories, respond to feedback, and encourage customers to create and share content of their own. The benefits are huge. It's affordable, build awareness, and create loyal brand communities. However, there are also challenges such as maintaining consistent engagement and managing open conversation that the company can fully control. That's why successful brands like Nike or Starbucks focus on authentic storytelling and active communication participation to keep customer emotionally connected. Next is mobile marketing. This involves reaching customers through their mobile devices using apps, SMS, push notifications, or locations-based promotions. Mobile marketing allows companies to reach people anytime, anywhere, providing a personalized and intimate experience. For example, Starbucks uses mobile app to send tailored offers, let customers order ahead, and reward loyalty, turning digital engagement into real sales.
Next, we have Objective 5 of Chapter 17, which basically talks about the traditional forms of direct marketing and the ethical issues that connecting to these type of marketing strategies. First, we will have direct mail marketing, like companies like IKEA sends discount brochures directly to your home. Next type, we have the catalog marketing, which can be seen with Sephora. They basically mails or emails products catalogs to showcase their new collections. Next, we have telemarketing, basically mostly used by banks or insurance companies. They will call the customers to promote new plans. Next, we'll have the direct response televisions marketing, which basically includes those inform commercials where you can call now and like get 50% off. And the last one, we have the kiosk marketing. This can be seen a lot in like public areas like McDonald's or like at the airport, where you can order yourself. Yeah. And the concerns or ethical issues related to this is basically concerns about deceptive or manipulative marketing practices, consumer privacy, or like for example, like instance constant spam calls, like misleading offers can harm the customer trust. That's why it is very important for marketers to follow ethical practices and respect customer rights.